introduction. Welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we'll be discussing integrating SAP FI with other SAP modules. Understanding this integration is crucial for maximizing the efficiency of your ERP system. We'll explore how SAP FI interacts with modules like Sales and Distribution, SD, Materials Management, MM, and Human Resources, HR, and the benefits this integration brings to your organization. What is SAP FI? SAP FI, or Financial Accounting, is a core module within the SAP ERP system that manages financial transactions and reporting. It includes submodules such as General Ledger Accounting, Accounts Payable, Accounts Receivable, and Asset Accounting. The integration of SAP FI with other modules is essential for ensuring accurate financial data and enhancing overall business processes. Key integrations of SAP FI. 1. Integration with Sales and Distribution, SD. The integration between SAP FI and SD is critical for managing customer transactions. Billing process. When a sale occurs, billing documents created in SD automatically post to the FI module. This ensures that revenue accounts are updated in real time. Credit management. Customer credit checks during the sales process are linked to FI, allowing organizations to manage risk effectively. Tax determination. Tax calculations during sales transactions are directly linked to financial postings in FI, ensuring compliance with tax regulations. 2. Integration with Materials Management, MM. SAP FI also integrates closely with MM, which manages inventory and procurement processes. Goods movement. Whenever goods are received or shipped, corresponding financial entries are made in FI. This ensures that inventory values are accurately reflected in financial statements. Invoice verification. Invoices from vendors are matched against goods receipts, and discrepancies are flagged for review. This process enhances accuracy in accounts payable. Valuation classes. The integration allows for automatic postings to the correct general ledger accounts based on material movements. 3. Integration with Human Resources, HR. Integrating SAP FI with HR ensures that payroll and employee-related expenses are accurately reflected in financial reports. Payroll processing. Employee salaries and benefits processed in HR automatically update relevant expense accounts in FI. Cost centers. HR data can be linked to cost centers in FI, enabling detailed tracking of labor costs across departments. Benefits of integrating SAP FI with other modules. Integrating SAP FI with other modules provides several advantages. 1. Improved data accuracy. Real-time data sharing between modules reduces errors and discrepancies in financial reporting. 2. Streamlined processes. Automated workflows between modules minimize manual entry and speed up transaction processing. 3. Enhanced reporting capabilities. Integrated data allows for comprehensive reporting across various business functions, providing deeper insights into financial performance. 4. Better decision-making. With all relevant data at their fingertips, decision-makers can respond quickly to changes in the business environment. Conclusion. Integrating SAP FI with other SAP modules like SD, MM, and HR is essential for achieving a cohesive ERP system that enhances operational efficiency and accuracy. By understanding these integrations, organizations can leverage their SAP systems to make informed decisions and improve overall performance. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights into SAP functionalities. Share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you.